Hi everyone, it's Shannon with Moringa Rose. I know it's been a while. Sorry for that. Today I wanted to go over the new packaging Moringa Rose has. So my old packaging, like a lot of soapers, used shrink wrap, and I wanted to get away from that. So I'm getting rid of shrink wrap. Just my tea tree and charcoal bar. I found a company, and I will link them below. S Packaging, and this is all made out of recycled material, and they are recyclable as well. I'm really loving how thick and sturdy they are. So what I do is put them in a little box, and these are the labels that I created. I ordered them on Online Labels. These are also made out of recycled material. I don't know if I'm going to keep these, unfortunately, because a lot of them smudge real easily, that I'm noticing. Here's an example. These were extras. So I wasn't a fan of that. I don't know if you could tell, but it starts to smudge. So I'm not a big fan of that. We'll see. Maybe it's my printer. I do have a Brother laser printer. And I'll link all of this below. These come 4 to a sheet. And there you have it. Really simple, really easy. I wanted to go eco-friendly for a while. I was just having a hard time finding a company that was eco-friendly. And then these are the lemongrass bars. They do give off a little mic on top, but they're just so pretty. So S Packaging does offer wholesale, so I bought my boxes in wholesale. They also give a 10% discount on your first order, which is really nice. Another thing with online labels, when you print your labels, the first couple you're really going to have to figure out how to line it up. Because on online labels this was centered, but it was printing more to the side, so I just had to make it off center a bit. And then to help me out, a lot of them are different colors. So I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me package all of them. Now on S Packaging, you can order sample sets, and this is one of the sets. This one does have 2 holes, so you can tie it. And it came with their medium size that has the hole. The small box that I use without the hole in the front, it came with the size that I'm currently using, the small, but I liked the hole so people could see them. It also comes with this really cute smaller one. I think this is their large. And they also have inserts that you could buy to go inside if you want to use it for rollers, lip balm. And then they have this really cute little box that you can fit multiple items into it. So I absolutely love this company. Maybe in the future I will order some of these for the gift sets, but I'm going to use up what boxes I already have. Sorry, my cat is going bonkers in the background. I don't know what he's getting into. And then my soap bars. My bucket of confetti for hopefully down the road. And as soon as they're cleaned up, they just all go perfectly in their little boxes. And all the soaps I currently have that are not going into the new boxes, I do have on clearance just to get them out. I know some of you have already noticed that. And then until the, I want to say the 10th or the 11th of June, everything on moringarose.com is 20% off at checkout, as my family and I are going on vacation, and moringarose.com will not be back open until the 1st of July, and I will not be having my next soap release until the 3rd, which I believe is a Friday. Don't quote me on that. And there will be new soaps and emulsified sugar scrubs. I think the sugar scrubs are going to come out. No, not sugar, sorry. Salt scrubs are coming out. Those will be coming out hopefully by Monday, so they'll be out for a couple of days before I go on vacation. Yeah, so they just wrap all around, and they're able to keep the box closed. And then if you want to, you can always reuse them, or the best part is they are recyclable. And I believe the wholesale sets are 500 boxes. This is the Lick Me. I only have 4 of these left, so they are going in the boxes. If I had less than 4, they're on clearance, as I didn't want to print just 1 or 2 labels. I know these don't match. I tried to find a more peachy tone. But this label, you can see where it's starting to already rub off. And I'm not exactly sure why that is. So if you know any recycled labels that print a little better, please let me know. I'd greatly appreciate it. And then I'll show you the new boxes that I've been shipping all of my smaller orders in because they fit perfectly into a padded envelope. I really hope this fits in frame. I don't think it does. Promise it's not as big as it looks. So these I also get on Amazon for really good price. And what I do, again, I'm sorry, my cat, I don't know what he's doing. I think he's trying to tell me it's bedtime. It is just after 11:30 at night here. So this is the box. I print off just my logo with handmade soaps and skincare with my website. And those are your regular labels for shipping. And then I put bubble wrap on the bottom, and you can buy tissue paper. I usually get mine on clearance. And once there's bubble wrap on the bottom, so as you can see, I can fit 8 bars in these, or even the body butters and lip balms. The face masks also fit perfectly in here. So I fold this top part of the tissue paper, fold it over. I do put a business card and a thank you note. I'm covering up because it does have a discount on the bottom. So this would go in here, my business card. And then this fits perfectly into one of these. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but I've gotten it pretty well figured out on how to make it fit pretty well. Now, I do recommend, before you buy these, to buy this set so you can see what exactly your soap bar size is. Mine are a little bit shorter and thicker, so they fit perfectly in here. And that's all I do. I was just really excited to be able to get away from plastic on these. I am trying to find a plastic-free alternative to body butter. The problem with it is glass breaks really easily, and I don't want someone to have it in their bathroom and knock it off and break it, or if it's in their purse. So I'm still looking into those. If you have any suggestions, I'd greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys all have an amazing summer and everyone is doing okay. We've been doing pretty well. I will post pictures later this week. We did just get a new chicken coop built, what I'm really excited about. The company did an amazing job. They painted it this Tiffany blue for me. But unfortunately, our rooster is not going to make it. He is beating up all the hens. And he's attacking my kids and my ducks. So we are going to talk to neighbors and see if they want him. If not, we're going to have to find something new for Butter, because Butter is being a big meanie. Yeah, here's the packages. They also, Online Labels does also have square fronts that wrap all the way around, which were also really cute. I just wanted the rounds. And it says, please reuse and recycle. And they also offer one with water drops on the front of it, which was really pretty. It is an extra charge. So yeah, I'll post everything in the link below. Don't forget to check out my website as everything is on sale. And hope to see y'all later.